So this is a little bit of a public service announcement. This just keeps coming up. People always ask questions about it, and you know, it came up again today, so I just feel like I need to speak on it. When you're injured in a motor vehicle accident, when you're injured in a slip and fall case, you gotta go to the doctor, right? Just being honest about the situation. I understand that people don't always like going to the doctors. I understand that people don't always like taking prescriptions. Nobody's saying that you gotta pop pills. Nobody's saying you gotta take muscle relaxers or opioids or anything like that. But you have to go to the doctor, and here's why. If you don't go to the doctor, you won't have the evidence that you need to prove your case. What evidence is that? Well, it's the doctor's testimony. You have to have causation testimony to prevail in a personal injury case. And going to the doctor allows you to have a medical professional who can testify that John Doe or Jane Doe was involved in this incident. And since this incident, they've experienced pain, they've experienced symptoms related with XYZ injury. That's critical. You need that to prevail. You need that to get past pain and suffering. And to the extent that the doctor can testify that you may have these symptoms in the future, you needed to get future pain and suffering. If you don't have the doctor's testimony, you're not going to have what you need to win in court. And insurance companies and their attorneys, they only care about what you can prove in court. If you can't prove it, you lose it. Just plain and simple, right? You got to go to the doctor. You got to make sure your injuries are documented, and you got to make sure you have some competent professionals that can testify about everything that's happened to you. Go to the doctor. I promise you. Visit personalinjuryatl.com for all your personal injury needs.